Here's a version of a track that personally I haven't heard for a while, although you'll be very familiar with the vocals. Glenn Morrison, his take on Rapture, the Don Tech mashup here on Radio 1.
Say hallelujah! It's Friday night with Just You!
The night I laid my eyes on you, felt everything around me move. Got nervous when you looked my way, but you knew all the words to say. Then your love slowly moved right in. All this time, all my love, where you been?
That's the Don Tech mashup of, well, it says Glenn Morrison and Rapture, but I'm sure it's by IO as well. Not entirely sure about the recipe of production that went on behind that one, but it certainly works well, brings it up into a 2008 style.